Guys, in front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone gallery, go to Contacts, choose the contact that you wish to personalize and tap on Edit. Now mark the profile picture at the top of the list, and as you can see now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. So let me choose it from the gallery. Let's just pick some picture, for example this one. You can customize it however you like. And now tap on Save. Tap on confirmation mark then, and that's it. From now on this picture is assigned to chosen contact, and once Pedro will be calling me, I will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.